Hello and welcome to the Pyká learning tutorials. You might be wondering, what is Pyká? The short answer is, Pyká is the world's first work hub, a revolutionary new app designed for people who work in project-based environments. There are many challenges and problems that arise when individuals or groups work on projects. Pyká endeavors to solve many of those problems. Let me give you some examples. One problem people deal with is version control. Projects are really just ideas, and ideas never start out perfect. They exist in a continuum, constantly changing and growing until people finish working on them. Keeping old ideas normally creates a mess of files and folders on your hard drives. But Pyká treats projects like a family tree, allowing users to keep as many versions of their projects as they wish. Another problem is the fact that projects generate a lot of duplicated files on hard drives. This is because people who work on projects tend to reuse common assets like logos, sound files, videos, and pictures. But in Pyká, assets exist only once, so files are never, ever duplicated. A third problem is the fact that projects and files tend to get lost over time, leaving users to scour through folders on their hard drive. In Pyká, everything is oriented around search. And instead of forcing users to remember exactly where something is, Pyká tries to help you find what you're looking for with any information you do remember. A fourth problem is how projects are passed around between different people in a team, often creating ludicrous email chains or disorganized shared storage drives. And worse, some members of the team are less organized with their files than others. So sometimes, people have to suffer the consequences of other team members' disorganization. But at its heart, Pyká is a work hub where users collaborate. You can make changes to projects, or simply watch as changes are made by other users. You can pass around projects or subdivide parts of projects so that multiple users can edit the same project. You can even create a massively large-scale project with sub-projects belonging to individual team members. And all of this is accomplished without generating email chains, chat threads, or zip files. Or you can simply use Pyká for yourself to manage your own personal project library. This and so many other things are what make Pyká a powerful and friendly tool for individuals and teams of people who work on projects.